So building immunity using Qigong means that what we're going to do is we're going to clean our channels, right? It's a process that involves visualization. It's a process that involves the harmonization of your respiration, of your movements, because it's virtually a meditation and movement, and your energy. Now, your energy, while we can feel the energy, and as we start working together, you would be able to feel it instantly. You would actually have no doubts that this universal energy and the energy anatomy and all that actually exist. Because just as you don't have doubts that you have electricity in your house, even though you can't see it flow, but you've seen the light. Likewise, when you've felt the energy, there is going to be no doubt about it. The fact that all this is interconnected and it works. We're going to use visualization to direct this energy, to guide this energy. And when you are in a position to do that, you have a synchronization of energy, movements, and breathing. You get a lot more efficient. So not only will you get more resistant, more immune to external contaminations, you will also get more effective in doing things with a harmony. And that's really useful for doing more in less time. As a matter of fact, there's no concept of time. It's only energy. Time is external to you. You can't manage it. Energy is what's inside you, and that's what you're going to learn to manage. So I look forward to seeing you in the program and exploring how you could build your immunity right now, right here, where you are.